Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. So guys, at first go to your Instagram. Now go to settings. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on account center. Now tap on personal details. Tap on account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation or deletion. Now select delete account and then tap on continue. Now select a reason and then tap on continue, and then they will ask to enter your password and you have to enter your password, and after entering your password just tap on continue, and then your account will be deleted permanently. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.